Hi, I'm Steven from KKInstruments, and today I'm going to show you how to use this multifunction anemometer. With this unit, you'll be able to measure current wind speed, maximum wind speed, and average wind speed. Besides that, you can measure the temperature, wind chill, heat index, dew point, and wet bulb temperature. In addition, you can measure relative humidity in terms of RH, barometric pressure, and the altitude. Now I'll show you how to use this meter. You press the on button here. Okay, first of all, you show you the wind speed. So you just open the compartment over here, open it, and I blow. You see, the reading is being shown on the meter itself. Secondly, if I press this button to go to the next function, it'll show you the current temperature. Okay. So if I press again, it'll show you the wind chill temperature. If I press again, it will show you the relative humidity in terms of percentage. The current relative humidity in the office is 69.7, for example. Next, we'll go to the heat index. And this next is 18.3 is the dew point temperature. And next is the wet bulb temperature. The current wet bulb temperature is 19.8. Next is the barometric pressure, with reference to how many meters. The meters is in terms of the elevation. You can set the reference by pressing this button, the meter button, this button. Next. Next is the altitude. Okay, this user screen one will be able to show you the summary of the readings. So the first one is the wind speed, current wind speed. The second one is the current temperature, ambient temperature. The third one is the relative humidity. Okay, the next. Okay, let's continue. So now the second screen, the first one is the chill temperature. The second one is the dew point temperature. Sorry, the first one should be the RH in terms of humidity. The third one is the wet bulb temperature. The first screen will show you the barometric pressure in terms of MB. The second one is the altitude. The third one is the density altitude. Okay, we'll come back to the first screen again. We'll show you the date and the time. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to find the maximum and average readings. First of all, let's say you want to find the average reading of the wind speed. You go to the wind speed screen, which is shown as WIND SPD, which is standing for wind speed, and meter per second is the unit of the wind speed. Okay, we press this button. We'll go to the maximum average view. To start finding the maximum value and also the average value, you press the middle button here. This button, press. Okay, you start taking the reading. For example, I blow. The first screen is showing you the maximum reading you've got within these periods, from the period when you press this start button until now. The second reading is the average button. Average button is the every wind speed you've taken divided by the time taken in terms of seconds. If you want to stop this function, you just press this button again, the dash sign button, to stop it. And to clear the value, you press once again. To go back to the original view, you just press the left button. Okay, if you want to change the units, how can you do it? First of all, you press the red button once. Okay, first of all, you let it choose. First is the memory option, which is not really needed because you're not using as a data logging. You're not really using this as a data logging function, because for data logging, unless you're buying the software, then only you are encouraged to use the function. Okay. Okay, you go to the units. For example, wind speed, you want it to be in, you just press, okay, you go to this screen. After you pressing the unit, you come to this screen. Wind speed, depending on what unit you want it to be. You press the right button, you'll get kilometers per hour, knot, miles per hour, in terms of mph, or FPM in terms of feet per minute. Temperature, if you want it to be in Fahrenheit, you just press this button. Barometric pressure, the same thing. You just press the right button to go to the mode. Okay, press this button again to go back to the view. Once more, you go back to the original screen. Basically, this is a very reliable anemometer, which is made in USA with 2 years warranty. You get bags also in terms of this kind of package. All the specs are stated at the back of the package. We have these units in stock. If you do have any question, you can just visit our website www.meter.com.my or our email SALES in terms of sales at meter.com.my, and our company number is 0743555540 or fax 4347299. Thank you very much. My name is Steven. I will be waiting for your inquiry. Thank you very much. Okay, there's another function. You can just press this button here to switch on the light, especially when you are in an area where there's no light source. It's very dark, in other words. This button is for you to store the data, but this function is normally can